Ostriches are fascinating creatures. They are the largest birds in the world. Ostriches can grow up to 9 feet tall. That's taller than a basketball hoop. These birds can't fly, but they are incredibly fast runners. They use their powerful legs to zoom across the African savanna. Let's learn more about these amazing animals. Ostriches are found in Africa. These magnificent birds are native to the vast and diverse landscapes of the African continent, where they have thrived for millions of years. Their presence is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of wildlife in this region. They live in open grasslands and savannas. These expansive areas provide the perfect environment for ostriches to flourish. The open plains allow them to spot predators from a distance, giving them a better chance to escape and survive. These habitats provide ostriches with plenty of space to roam. The vastness of the grasslands and savannas means that ostriches can cover large distances in search of food and water, which is crucial for their survival in such a challenging environment. They need this space because they are always on the move. Ostriches are known for their incredible speed and endurance, which they use to evade predators and travel between feeding grounds. Their powerful legs can carry them at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Ostriches are well suited to their hot, dry environment. The arid landscapes of Africa can be harsh, but ostriches have evolved to thrive in these conditions. Their physical and behavioral adaptations make them one of the most successful species in these regions. Ostriches have special adaptations to survive in the heat. Their feathers, for example, are designed to provide insulation against the sun's intense rays, while allowing for airflow to keep them cool. They can tolerate high temperatures. Unlike many other animals, ostriches can withstand the extreme heat of the African plains, which can often exceed 40 degrees Celsius during the day. Their long legs keep their bodies off the hot ground. This not only helps them stay cool, but also allows them to cover more ground with each stride, making them efficient travelers. They also pant to stay cool. Panting is a common behavior among many animals to regulate body temperature, and ostriches are no exception. By panting, they can release excess heat and maintain a stable internal temperature. Ostriches are well adapted to survive with limited water. In the arid regions they inhabit, water can be scarce. However, ostriches have developed ways to minimize their water needs and make the most of the resources available to them. They can get most of the moisture they need from the plants they eat. By consuming a variety of vegetation, ostriches can extract the necessary hydration to sustain themselves, even in the driest of conditions. This remarkable ability ensures their survival in some of the most unforgiving environments on Earth. Ostriches are omnivores. This means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, and seeds. They also eat insects, lizards, and snakes. Ostriches swallow small stones to help them digest their food. These stones grind up the tough plant material in their stomachs. Ostriches have a special way of drinking water. They use their beaks to scoop water into their mouths. They need to drink regularly, especially during the dry season. Ostriches have many unique physical traits. Their long legs are perfect for running. Ostriches can run up to 43 miles per hour. They have 2 toes on each foot, which helps them run fast. Their large wings are used for balance and to attract mates. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal. Their excellent eyesight helps them spot predators from far away. Their brown and grey feathers provide camouflage in the grasslands. Section 5. Living together in a flock. Ostriches, the largest birds on Earth, have a unique social structure that revolves around living in groups known as flocks. These fascinating creatures thrive in the vast savannas and open woodlands of Africa, where their social behavior plays a crucial role in their survival. Ostriches live in groups called flocks. These flocks can vary greatly in size, ranging from just a few birds to over 100 individuals. The size of the flock often depends on the availability of food and water, as well as the season. These flocks can range in size from a few birds to over 100. During the breeding season, smaller groups may merge to form larger flocks, providing better protection and increasing the chances of successful mating. Living in a flock provides safety in numbers. By staying together, ostriches can keep a vigilant watch for predators such as lions, cheetahs, and hyenas. When one ostrich senses danger, it alerts the rest of the flock, allowing them to take swift action to avoid threats. Ostriches communicate with each other through a variety of calls and hisses. These vocalizations help them coordinate movements, warn of danger, and maintain social bonds within the flock. Each sound has a specific meaning, allowing ostriches to convey complex messages to one another. Within a flock, there is a dominant male and female. The dominant male, often the largest and strongest, leads the flock and is responsible for protecting the group. The dominant female, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in the reproductive success of the flock. The dominant male mates with the females in the flock. This ensures that the strongest genes are passed on to the next generation. During the mating season, the male performs elaborate courtship displays, including dancing and booming calls, to attract females. Females lay their eggs in a communal nest, which is a shallow hole in the ground. This nest is carefully chosen and prepared by the dominant female. By laying their eggs together, the females increase the chances of survival for their offspring, as the nest is easier to defend against predators. Both the male and female ostriches take turns incubating the eggs. This shared responsibility ensures that the eggs are kept at the right temperature and are protected from potential threats. The male typically incubates the eggs at night, while the female takes over during the day, allowing both parents to rest and forage for food. Section 6. Outsmarting predators on the savanna. The vast, open plains of the savanna are home to many creatures, but few are as fascinating as the ostrich. These flightless birds have evolved a range of strategies to evade the many predators that lurk in their environment. Ostriches have developed incredible survival tactics. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot danger from afar, giving them a crucial head start. They are always on the lookout, scanning the horizon for any signs of threat. Their speed is their first line of defense. Capable of reaching speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour, ostriches can outrun most of their predators with ease. This incredible speed is not just for short bursts. They can maintain a high pace over long distances, ensuring they stay ahead of danger. When threatened, they can outrun most predators. Their long, powerful legs are built for running, making them one of the fastest animals on the savanna. This agility is a key factor in their survival. If cornered, ostriches will kick with their powerful legs. These kicks are not to be underestimated. They can deliver a force strong enough to injure or even kill a predator. Their legs are equipped with sharp claws that can inflict serious damage. They can also use their wings to appear larger and more intimidating. By spreading their wings and puffing up their feathers, they create an illusion of greater size, which can deter potential threats. This display of dominance is often enough to make predators think twice. Ostriches are known for their camouflage skills. When running or fighting isn't an option, they rely on their ability to blend into their surroundings. By lying low and staying still, they can become nearly invisible in the tall grass and shrubs of the savanna. Their brown feathers blend in perfectly with the dry grass and shrubs. This natural camouflage is a vital part of their defense strategy, allowing them to hide in plain sight. The intricate patterns and colors of their feathers mimic the environment, making it hard for predators to spot them. This makes it difficult for predators to spot them. Even the most vigilant hunters can be fooled by an ostrich's ability to disappear into the landscape. These survival tactics, honed over millennia, make the ostrich a master of evasion on the savanna. Section 7. The importance of ostriches. Ostriches play a vital role in their ecosystem. They are important grazers, helping to control plant growth. Their dung provides nutrients to the soil. Ostriches are a source of food for some predators, such as lions, leopards, and hyenas. Their abandoned eggshells provide shelter for insects and small animals. Ostriches are also a source of income for some communities. Their feathers, eggs, and meat are valuable products. Section 8. Threats to ostriches. Despite their adaptations, ostriches face several threats. Habitat loss is a major concern. As humans expand their footprint, ostrich habitat is being converted to farmland and urban areas. Poaching is another threat. Ostriches are hunted for their feathers, meat, and skin. Climate change is also a concern. Droughts and extreme weather events can impact ostrich populations. Section 9. Working together to protect ostriches. Conservation efforts are underway to protect ostriches. National parks and reserves protect ostrich habitat. Anti-poaching patrols work to prevent illegal hunting. Sustainable farming practices are being promoted to reduce habitat loss. Education programs raise awareness about the importance of ostrich conservation. By working together, we can ensure that these magnificent birds continue to thrive in the wild. It is our responsibility to protect these gentle giants for future generations.